In today's society, the price of success usually means burnout. We are seeing unprecedented health issues caused by stress, anxiety, and most importantly, lack of sleep. In a perfect world, you're always alert, always focused and rested. You feel consistently healthy, strong, and energetic. You're balanced and you're productive. Silent mode exists to give you that edge by harnessing the power of napping, something our ancestors have done for a long time. Napping is something natural that you can do at any time when you feel the need to rest or recharge fast. Napping is scientifically proven to increase alertness, improve accuracy, elevate your mood, help you make better decisions, boost creativity, and reduce stress. We have spent the last 18 months developing the ultimate relaxation device. A beautiful design for peace of mind that not only tells you when it's time to nap, but also customizes your smart napping program and sleep logistics. Whether you want to improve your well-being on those long flights, get an energy boost before that big meeting, or simply take a cozy nap at home, Silent Mode is 100% blackout to help you block out distractions. 360-degree comfort, grade 3 memory foam, and the first audio device you can comfortably lay on. And built with the finest quality materials to help you stay cool, fresh, and rested wherever you are. Coupled with our own proprietary audio training Breathonics, Silent Mode trains you to control your breath and help you switch off your mind easily. Or if you find switching off to Norwegian rock metal helps you relax, simply connect to Spotify or any other music app. Some of history's most powerful minds understood the power of napping. It was a key ingredient to their success, something they would not compromise on. It allowed them to process information and retain the thoughts that mattered. Take naps and apologize to no one. It's time to switch on Silent Mode.
SMOS has two special design paddles, which looks like the shifting paddles of racing cars. Make your racing game more realistic. No root required. All Android games are compatible. The keys can be customized. Perfect match for Fortnite, Player Unknown Battlegrounds, etc. assembled and produced by Foxconn, whose quality can be guaranteed. The blue light effect and the blue semi-transparent top cover are perfectly matched, molding a nice and sleek appearance. The aluminum alloy shell could achieve an outstanding heat dissipation effect. It makes the equipment works more solidly. Dual interface design to obtain the switching and expansion functions for your mobile phones and ultrabooks. The game experience will be more vivid and the service life will be longer with the use of world-famous Alps thumbstick and Omron mechanical micro switch. The hollow design of aluminum alloy not only shows the unique character, the ergonomic design feels firmly to your palm. SMOS.